Cast iron cooking. Our high-quality cast iron pan comes with a perfectly textured preseasoned skin for an easier release that helps build seasoning with each use. We use only non-GMO, kosher-certified flaxseed oil to season it, and it's PTFE and PFOA-free for healthier cooking. Made for great meals, our cast iron skillet was designed with the user in mind. It features a thicker edge, a deep vessel for sauces or larger food items, drip-free spouts on each side, and our signature long curved handle for a better grip. Easy to use. Give your cooking an upgrade by using cast iron cookware. Durable, rugged, and made to last, cast iron pans are easy to use and allow the perfect amount of heat distribution and retention for more evenly cooked food. Versatile pan. Our cast iron skillet is made with natural materials and can be used almost anywhere, such as on the stove, on induction cooktops, in the oven, over a campfire, or on a grill. Your food will stay warm for longer and be infused with beneficial natural iron. From stove to table, Victoria has manufactured quality cast iron cookware in our own factories in Colombia, never outsourcing, since 1939. Our cast iron products are made with resource-efficient materials, are economical, will outlast traditional cookware, and will offer reliable cooking for years to come. Top reviews from the United States. This skillet is incredible. Okay, I really regret ordering such a tiny size. The 6-inch is just right to cook one egg. Who eats just one egg? You need at least 2, so I was disappointed but didn't want to return because I spent hours priming it. I also ordered another brand which came pre-primed and had glowing reviews, but Victoria outperformed it and blew it out of the water. The quality of this thing is unreal, nothing sticks. It's a superior product through and through, and you can feel the quality of craftsmanship the moment you touch its comfy handle. I promise you will fall in love. I just need to order a 10-incher because I like making omelets, and often fry mushrooms or other veggies along with it. Oh, and also I am anemic, so iron is good for me. Victoria is amazing and I 200% recommend it. Definitely liked it over another brand. It just primes better and non-stick factor is more prominent, it cleans easier, and did I mention it's beautiful? You will not regret.